does. That's so cool.
I'm going to name him because it looks like he has the shape of an M.
Yeah?
Coloured M.
Oh, it looks like you're having so much fun. So it's been a while since I've vlogged because giving up caffeine and sugar is really hard, and it pretty much just left me feeling like I had no energy at all. It was just really tough. So we didn't do much, and Charlie has a lot of bad anxiety, and so he ended up being very anxious at the same time as I was doing that, so he just didn't want to leave the house. And when he's like that, you just have to let him not leave the house, because it's just not nice for anyone if we force him out. He goes into fight, you know, like when you're anxious, you go into fight, flight, or freeze mode. Charlie goes into fight, and so we just have to be very careful in those times. So anyway, so this week we just not had a lot to vlog about and just a lot going on. So we're back. It's Tuesday actually, it's Tuesday. Tal is Katie's friend. She met him when we first started homemeding, and they had just the most amazing summer together. They really clicked and got on very well. And then he moved back to America, so she was gutted. They both were. So he's here for a week. So I think we're going to be spending a lot of time with Tal this afternoon. They stayed over last night, so they stayed up really late. So Charlie is very tired today. The older two handle it a bit better, but Charlie's very, very tired today. So they're off. So they watch movies, we gave them some sweets and what have you, and they were up till about 10:30. So my kids normally are in bed by 7:30, so it was late for Charlie. Katie I think stays up anyway, but it was late for Charlie. So anyway, they got up this morning. The cleaners have helped sort Charlie's room out because, oh my gosh, it just had got to a state. And the kids have just basically been playing games together all morning, and then at 1:30ish Tal's mum's coming. He's going to take Tal and Katie climbing to do like a climbing wall thing, and then I think they're going back to theirs. Me and Charlie are going to go to sharing club, so I've just been sorting them out and breakfast and mediating arguments all morning. So I'm going to go get in the shower and get myself ready, do my makeup live, and then get them lunch. By the time I've just had breakfast myself, it's taken me so long to get breakfast, but I'll get them their lunch so they're ready before when Tal's mum comes to pick them up. So that's our day. Sleepover last night, so now they're here. This is Katie's friend Tal, who's over from America. And now they're playing Little Big Planet.
Guess what? We just found out that you can actually pull other players along.
She didn't know.
And actually, as soon as they found out, Tal just grabbed onto my player and then said, "Charlie, help me."
Come here.
And they ended up pulling me
Charlie,
along.
been a morning. I tell you that it's been a morning today. Tired children is not the one. So we've had into, I tried to do my makeup live and I just had screaming children in the background, so I had to send them upstairs, and then I had to do it, and then someone called me, so I had to do another one, restart it, and then someone else called me, and then the dog went mental. It was barking everywhere, and it was just, I had to go off and answer the door mid-life. It was a mess of a life, but you know, these things happen. I am a mummy running a business, so these things happen. But yeah, that was slightly stressful, but we're done. I've done a little bit more work today, and now I'm going to get changed, because what arrived was my new dress that I ordered. I ordered it from Wish, and honestly, everything else I've ordered from Wish has not been very good. But these dresses, I've now got it in 3 colours. I have white, green, like a pale green, and now blue, because blue is my favourite colour. Blue and coral are my favourite colours. So anyway, it arrived and I'm really happy. So I'm going to get that. I'm going to put it on before we head out, and I need to go make the kids some lunch. That's going to be it. I'm looking glamorous whilst eating. So that means an extra child over there, not Lizzie, Amelia, and an extra child over here who is emptying my shelves of canned goods. What are you doing, Lizzie? 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 No? Lizzie? Is that a good toy, Lizzie?
It's a good dog.
Oh, we're going to try and eat the beans. Hello? Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Oh. Mommy, Dad.
Yeah. You try to take the phone to Mummy. I don't think it's going to reach, Lizzie. I don't think it's going to reach. We're going to try real hard though, right?
Hello?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, you want to talk to Elizabeth? Okay, there you go.
Let's go,
Yeah. Is it my turn now? Hello? Yeah. You want to talk to Lizzie? Okay.
I don't care what we saw. Never.
You want to see something together? Are you going to eat your wrap now and then? Where's Lizzie going, Amelia? Oh, thank you. I could Would you like to go?
We're doing some drawing. And Amelia.
Hi.
Charlie's outside. Oh, it's been a long day, but really good. The kids argued a lot this morning because they're very tired, so Carla was mediating that for most of the morning. Then my sister popped over, then Tal and Katie got taken off by Tal's mum to go climbing, and then we went to the sharing club, which was all good, you'll see in the vlog. And then me and Charlie got home about 5, so we put the dinner on. And then just snuggled for a bit because I was exhausted and needed to rest before coming out tonight. So I had a little bit of a rest, but that didn't give me time to top my makeup off. So it's lasting pretty well, but it's been on, you know, most of the day. And I'm a face toucher, so I normally need to touch a little bit. Anyway, and now I'm heading out to do a makeover, and then I'll be coming back to edit. So I'll see you later. Morning, how are we today? It is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. And we've had a fairly quiet morning, just mooching around. The kids are quite tired because they've had lots of late nights lately, and been very, very busy. I say a lot. So we are just getting ready to take Katie climbing. It's day 10 of no sugar and no Diet Coke, and I'm feeling amazing. And not only that, I've lost 3 pounds! Yay! So feeling quite good, and we're heading out. Charlie, bless him, is not feeling very well, so he doesn't want to go anywhere, but it's just Katie getting Oh, kids all like snuggled. So it's just Katie going climbing and we just got to drop her off.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Hi.
Amazing. He's so cute.
And it's from For God and from Queen, a song.
It is time for bed. Thank you so much for joining us today. We've had a quite quiet little day. Katie had a fabulous time with her friend Tal, going climbing and things, and Charlie and I played some Minecraft and did a little bit of maths work. Alex had cooked dinner, which was lovely. It was this cottage pie, which was very, very nice, and I made some sugar-free flapjacks, which still don't taste like flapjacks, but they hit the spot and they're a little bit moreish, so you have to be careful not to eat like the entire batch. But honestly, if you're eating sugar, you wouldn't like them. I think you have to not eat sugar to like them. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back to our normal, not necessarily daily, but every couple of days vlogging. So do please subscribe. If you liked our video, please like it, subscribe, so you're notified of when we do post. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. I'd love to know your feedback. We'll see you soon. Bye.